Hello. Hey, so I'm going to show you some really easy water healing ceremonies that you can do to heal the water across the whole of the earth, the water and the blood that's inside every human, and all of the bodies of water everywhere. There's even water molecules in the air, so we can heal all the water by doing these. You want to feel love, kindness and healing inside your heart when you do this. Think about things like mermaids, dolphins, whales. Think about beautiful water, maybe a baby in a womb. Think about water just going through healing everyone. Very easy. Now let's do this. So you just want to go to a bath. You can do it even in a cup, if you just have a cup of water and put a straw in it, but this is how I'm going to do it. It's very easy. You can grab a crystal if you have some crystals. I have some Gaia crystals here. Lemurian crystals. I'm going to use these. I'll hold these in my hand under the water. So it's as easy as getting kids to say, hey kids, do you want to blow some bubbles in the bath? Easy as that. Or you can do it when you're just like laying down. Any age you can do it. Everyone's capable of doing this. I also like to think when I'm doing it about all the water down the drains, even the sewer water and everything like that, the storm water, all of the rivers and creeks and how they're all linked up. And when I blow the water into it, I want to heal the water. I want to heal it and tell it I love it and that I'm sorry for everything that's been done to it and that it's going to be better. We're not going to do this stuff anymore to harm it. You can picture all of the pipes breaking because they're so energetically alive. You can picture all the fluoride going out of them, all of the yucky stuff in the water getting cleaned out. You can picture mermaids being protected, all the oceans and all the lives in the ocean being protected, healed, loved, honoured, all the chemicals coming out of the water. Picture these things. I'm honouring all of the beings that live in the water, all of their souls and the divinity within them, and I'm also activating Lemurian water, living water, memory water, the water that's life and holds these memories. I'm now singing to that water and awakening all the memory in water. bathtub. All of that love energy that I've put into this water. Just telling you, I love it, I love you, water, I love you. All of this love energy is going to go down the drain. It's going to infuse with the other water down there, and all the water, it's going to have an effect like homeopathy. So if you think about all the water, when they make homeopathy medicine, they have like one drop of like the active ingredient, which might be something healing that they put in it, and they put it in a big bottle of water, and then they shake, and that one drop then mimics the memory across the water, and the water holds the memory for everything in homeopathy. So this is what we're essentially doing in our baths. And look at the sort of stuff I've got in my bath, right? So I've got like this is stuff I'm using, like Dr. Bronner's and stuff. Some Himalayan rock salt. I made up a tea. I went and got some bark from like a pine tree, because they're very good for ascension and for meditation and ADHD and female reproductive and male reproductive issues. So I got some pine. I asked the tree first, and I went and got some bark from the tree, and I brewed up a tea, and in that tea in a big pot, and then I poured that into the bath and that had a bit of turmeric in it as well, which is really detoxifying for the pineal gland. I put all of those things in that beautiful tea. I made it with love and healing energy, and then I have this beautiful bath, and sometimes I put crystals in my bath because I love doing that. So this is all very easy to do, guys. You can do this at home. You can do, it's so simple, and what you're essentially doing is making like one drop of super powerful potion, and then that one drop goes into the drains, and it echoes through the drains that touch the rest of the water. And as it goes through, it's going to activate all the rivers, the oceans, all the bodies of water on earth. So it's that easy to do. You can sing in the shower. Sometimes I used to sing down the drain. I used to cry down the drain. I'd get so sad that the water was being mistreated, and I'd cry down the drain, and I'd sing into the actual drain. Now, in the shower I'd do that. But guys, the way that bathrooms used to be taken care of for my people, we were the cleanest ever, and we've got to do this again in a new modern way. But what we did was we didn't shit in our rivers. That's disgusting. Sorry for saying the S word. We didn't poop in our rivers. That's disgusting. What we did was we had all these piles of sand on the sides of the rivers or anywhere near our towns. And then we had all these sticks on top of them, not from cutting down trees, just sticks that fell off trees in the forest. And we put all these piles of sticks on these piles of sand that make these big heaps. Then everyone will go to the toilet and they'll do their business, they'll do their number twos, and then they'll wrap it up in bark and wind it up, and then they'll sit it on top of that pile of sticks. And every night someone will come along and put all the piles of sticks on fire, and they will turn all of the poop into ash. And ash isn't that dirty, it's just like grey ash from a fire. But pooping in water is really dirty, and it's really wrong, because water loves us and we love water, and we can't do that. Water's precious. So that's what we're doing, guys. We're going to fix all the water. No more pooping in water. Alright. Thank you for watching my water ceremony. And yeah, amazing things are going to happen.